herniated lumbar disc. It was a really old injury. It's about a 22-year-old injury that has been giving me more and more trouble over the last 4 or 5 years, to the point where it became an actual problem. Flare-ups started happening more and more frequently and incapacitating me. I was, for lack of a better word, disabled whenever I had a flare-up. I had trouble lifting heavy things. As a family man, as I am now, it was an issue. For anyone who has small children, you have to pick them up all the time and pick things up, lift things up, and run around them. This injury has had a very strong emotional and psychological impact. I would become depressed and low, just feeling very low, because I would feel completely useless. When you have a problem like this and you get in this mindset, it affects every aspect of your life. There was a lot of movements I couldn't really do when I would have a flare-up. I couldn't lift anything. I had to be very careful how I would bend down and get back up. I couldn't lift my child. I couldn't go up and down the stairs very quickly. I couldn't run. I met Jazz through a friend of mine. She knew of my problem and she knew that I was having some trouble, and I asked her and she recommended Jazz. Immediately I could tell that he was the kind of specialist that I was looking for. I did try a variety of options over the years. I tried massage, acupuncture, physiotherapy, and for Jazz. I met him and he pretty much had a very strong, specialized, highly customized fitness program. The moment I started training with Jazz, I felt absolutely motivated and inspired. I could feel how his program was making a difference almost from the get-go. Within a week of starting to train with him, my body was reacting very positively. We've done dozens of different exercises. Of all of them, the ones that I think of the most are lunges, for example. Lunges are quite tough. Same thing goes with another exercise, chin-ups. Jazz explained it very clearly. The stronger your upper body is, then the more secure all of your body will be. The strength and resistance on my lower back improved by almost 100%. The feeling of lower back pain was reduced drastically, almost by about the same margin. Same goes for the feeling of tightness, flexibility, lifting capacity, bending sideways, lifting, upper body strength. My upper body strength, for example, increased about 300%. And overall, my overall strength and stamina was increased by a large margin. My strength and my flexibility, my coordination have all increased a lot. I've gained a lot of functionality. Having strengthened my core muscles has also meant no more flare-ups to date. Going to the playground with my son is a perfect example of how things have changed for me. There I can now actively participate in all of my son's games and activities. I can carry him, help him climb up the stairs, catch him when he goes down the slide, chase after him. The main 7 changes that I've noticed since I did this program are, first and foremost, no more flare-ups, no more pain. I felt a considerable increase in coordination, flexibility, strength, movement. I feel mentally and psychologically, emotionally much stronger, and overall happier and more confident since training began. I can move freely without second-guessing myself. I can catch something when it's falling without fear of repercussions. I can go up the stairs really quickly if I need to. I can run after the bus so I don't miss it. I can lift things and help around the house, and I can work. I can concentrate on doing my job much better. I'm a far more functional person. I feel stronger, faster, and better. I'm feeling emotionally and physically much stronger, much more stable. The injury has been stabilized, has been contained. The program has been very successful, no question about it. The change, the overall change on my life has had a massive positive effect. My confidence has increased tenfold, no question about it. I now know that there is a safe and healthy way into addressing my lower back problem. But I recommend Jazz in a heartbeat. In fact, I've already recommended him. He is the only person that I know of in the whole world that I know of that I would recommend hands down for anyone suffering from herniated disc related problems. Jazz is highly professional. His programs are very individual. He will develop a highly customized program for each individual case. He is result-oriented, but not at the expense of risking injury. He's very accommodating regarding time and location. And he's, in all fairness, very affordable. Has very good prices for the kind of services that he provides. I'm very happy with the nutrition advice. He was very thorough, very comprehensive, and the advice was very helpful, very effective. There are a few things that I like in the nutrition program that I received. One of them is the variety. There is a number of options for each meal of the day, so I don't become bored or tired of always eating the same. So there's a lot of variety. Another one is that a lot of the ingredients that Jazz recommends are not only very healthy, but they're also very delicious. I'm very happy with the nutrition plan that was designed for me. It's very effective. It caters to my own particular tastes and needs, and it does make a difference. It works.